This video may help you to bring the secrets of Japan's centenarians to you and give you the tools to find your own ikigai. Top 5 countries in the world where people live with long life and is considered to be as blue zones, which are Okinawa, Sardinia, Loma Linda, Nicoya Peninsula, and Ikaria. Okinawa holds first place amongst the world's blue zones. Keys to longevity in these 5 blue zones are diet, exercise, finding a purpose in life, and forming strong social ties, that is having a broad circle of friends and good family relations. Members of these communities manage their time well in order to reduce stress, consume little meat or processed food, and drink alcohol in moderation. They don't do heavy exercise, but they do move every day, taking walks and working in their vegetable gardens. Japanese define ikigai as the art of staying young while growing old. The happiness of always being busy is like logotherapy, but it goes a step beyond. It also seems to be one way of explaining the extraordinary longevity of the Japanese, especially on the island of Okinawa, where there are around 25 people over the age of 100 for every 100,000 inhabitants, which is far more than global average. What's your reason for getting up in the morning? In Japan, millions of people have ikigai as a reason to jump out of bed each morning. Your ikigai is at what you're good at and what you love doing. Why the inhabitants of this island in south of Japan live longer than people anywhere else in the world? Because in addition to healthy full diet, a simple life in the outdoors, green tea, and subtropical climate is the ikigai that shapes their lives. Ogimi, a rural town on the north end of the island with a population of 3,000, holds the highest life expectancy in the world, and it has a nickname which is the village of longevity. It's a surprise that the people of eternal life were located preciously in Okinawa, where 200,000 innocent lives were lost at the end of World War II. Okinawans live by the principles such as treat everyone like a brother, even if you have never met them before. Secrets to happiness of Ogami's residents is feeling like part of community. From an early age, they practice teamwork and are so used to helping each other. Many Japanese people never really retire. They keep doing what they love. In fact, there is no word in Japanese which means retire. Not only do they live much longer than the rest of the world's population, they also suffer from fewer chronic illnesses such as cancer, heart disease, and inflammatory disorders are also less common. Many of the centenarians enjoy enviable levels of vitality and health that would be unthinkable for people of advanced age elsewhere. Their blood tests reveal fewer free radicals as a result of drinking tea and eating until their stomachs are only 80% full. Practicing the rule of 80%. Hara Hachipu, one of the most common sayings in Japan, which is repeated before or after eating and means something like fill your belly up to 80%. Okinawans consume a daily average of 1800 to 1900 calories compared to 2200 to 3300 in other developed nations, and have a body mass index between 18 and 22 compared to 26 or 27 in other developed nations. Women experience more moderate symptoms during menopause, and both men and women maintain higher levels of sexual hormones until much later in life. The rate of dementia is much below the global average. People who live here enjoy a rich social life that revolves around community centers. The town is divided into 17 neighborhoods, and each one has a president and several people in charge of things like culture, festivals, social activities, and longevity. As the people here work in groups, and in some groups where people around 20 are so proud to say the youngest among the group is in the age of about 80 to 90 years. Celebrations are an essential part of people life in Ogami. Game of Gate Ball, one of the most popular sports among Ogami's older residents. It involves hitting a ball with a mallet-like stick. It is a low-impact sport that can be played anywhere and is a good excuse to move around and have fun as a group. The residents hold local competitions and there is no age limit for participants. In addition to playing and celebrating as a community, spirituality is also essential to happiness of residents. One thing that everyone with a clearly defined ikigai has in common is that they pursue their passion no matter what. They never give up, even when the cards seem stacked against them. Practicing Moai. In Okinawa, it is customary to form close bonds within local communities with common interests who look out for one another. Members of Moai make a set monthly contribution to the group. The funds collected by the group are used for activities. If there is money left over, one member receives a set amount from the surplus. In this way, being part of Moai helps maintain emotional and financial stability. There is no magic recipe for finding happiness, but one key ingredient is the ability to reach the state of flow and through this state to have an optimal experience. In order to achieve this optimal experience, we have to focus on increasing the time we spend on activities that bring us to this state of flow, rather than allowing ourselves to get caught up in activities that offer immediate pleasure, such as eating too much, abusing drugs or alcohol, or stuffing ourselves with chocolate in front of TV. The Moai are not organized around any concrete objective. They function more like a family. Everyone offers to pitch in, and the local governments take care of assigning tasks. This way, everyone can be useful and feels like part of community. The art of takumi. Experts in particular manual skill are extremely important in most common companies in Japan. For example, the famous company Toyota employs artisans who are able to make a certain type of screw by hand. And another brush making company where woman is so focused on choosing individual bristles for the brushes, and her movements were so quick it was hard to tell what she was doing. Takumi were one of the most important people in the company, where every bristle of every brush the company made passed through her hands. Older, be stronger. People in Ogmi were intense but relaxed, sort of like the lifestyle of the locals, who always seemed to be busy with important tasks, but who upon closer inspection did everything with a sense of calm. They were always pursuing their ikigai, but they were never in rush. People here believe that secret for long life is not to worry, and to keep your heart young, welcoming people with open heart with nice smile on face and say hello to people by walking on street. This is one of the reasons why people over here are being pleased by everyone else. Here people are not to cause problems, but spending time together and having fun, maintaining lifestyle. People over here feel joy every morning, waking up at 6 and planting own vegetables and cooking for themselves is the most people's ikigai. People here believe that the key to staying sharp in old age is in fingers. From your fingers to your brain and back again. If you keep your fingers busy, you will live to see 100. The Ikigai diet. According to World Health Organization, Japan has highest life expectancy in the world, 85 years for men and 87 years for women. Moreover, it has the highest ratio of centenarians in the world, more than 520 for every million people. They eat an average of 18 different foods each day. They eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day, and rarely eat sugar, and consumes less salt compared to world average. Antioxidants found in Okinawa's diet. The molecules that slow the oxidation process in cells, neutralizing the free radicals that cause damage and accelerate aging. 15 foods which are considered key to Okinawa's vitality, which are tofu, miso, tuna, carrots, goya, kombu, cabbage, nori, onion, soy sprouts, ichima, soybeans, sweet potato, peppers, sanpincha. Light of shikuwasa. Shikuwasa is the citrus fruit which is extremely acidic and to be diluted with water before drinking. Shikuwasa contains higher level of antioxidants. Exercise of Okinawa. People here over 80 and 90 years old are still highly active. They don't stay at home looking out of windows or reading the newspaper. Ogami's residents walk a lot, do karaoke with their neighbors, getting up early in the morning, and as soon as after breakfast, they head outside to weed their gardens. They don't go to gym or exercise intensely, but they almost never stop moving in the course of their daily routines. Radio Taiso. The morning warm-up has been around since before World War II. Instructions for each exercise were transmitted over the radio. One of the main purposes of doing Radio Taiso is to promote a spirit of unity among participants. The exercises are always done in groups, usually in schools before the start of class and in business before the workday begins, such as yoga, tai chi, etc. To build resilience in our lives, we shouldn't fear adversity because each setback is an opportunity for growth. If we adopt an anti-fragile attitude, we'll find a way to get stronger with every blow, refining our lifestyle and staying focused on our ikigai. Thank you.